Now, let's have a little bit of practice. Rewrite the following sentences using used to, be used to, or get used to in the right form. Example: there weren't so many people in this town 15 years ago. There didn't used to be so many people in this town 15 years ago. Now, I eat only vegetables and fruit. I'm accustomed to it. I'm used to eating only vegetables and fruit. I hated wearing the bank's uniform when I got that job, but I don't mind it anymore. I got accustomed to it. I got used to wearing the bank's uniform. Anne started dyeing her hair right after she graduated from college. Anne didn't used to dye her hair in college. Driving in the city with no traffic jams is so strange for me. I am not used to driving in the city with no traffic jams. They have pulled down the movie theater on Main Street. There used to be a movie theater on Main Street. Laptops are quite affordable these days. Laptops didn't used to be affordable in the past. Our neighbors are very noisy. I hope we will get used to them. John isn't married. He lives alone. He doesn't mind it because he is used to living alone. I started to travel a lot when I got my first job. First 2 weeks were hard, but then I got used to it. She looks very sleepy. She isn't used to waking up so early. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Let's move on to the next chapter.